Alright guys, this is spot trading. I'm going to show you exactly how easy this is. With spot trading, we're only trading for 15 to 20 minutes. And we do it twice a day. So this is going to be the easiest money you ever make. This is something you can do part-time. And let's just go check and make sure, yep, I'm unstaked. I've got money in my USDT. So I'm going to go ahead and get paired up with the trade for the day. And let's see where we are at. Alright, we're at 70.06. We're looking for 70.03. And we've still got 2 minutes to go for it to hit that price. So I'm going to wait for it to hit that price. As a matter of fact, yeah, I'm going to wait. Because it may go a little lower. And I might be able to get it for a little better of a price. Because it looks like it's on a downtrend right now. So I'm just going to hold off for a minute. But for, for trading, for spot trading, it's, you're just clicking a couple of buttons, and it's hitting 70.03. So we're 1 minute from the buy time. So I'm just going to see how low it gets. Maybe I can get it for $69.98 or something like that. Get it for a couple cents cheaper. Let's just see what it does. Now they give you a 15 to 20 minute window prior to the buy time to come in and buy. Because sometimes, and I'll always come in 15 to 20 minutes early. Because a lot of times you'll come in, when you come in early, it'll be a little bit below the target price. And so you can get it for a little better deal. See, now then we're down to 70.03. So I could go ahead and execute a market buy right now for a real-time purchase. And you can see we've already got a lot of volume coming in. So I'm just going to go ahead and execute my buy. So I'm going to click down here at the bottom. This is how easy it is, guys. Click this meter all the way to the right, maximizing my funds. I'm going all in. And monitoring the price. Let's see if it goes down a penny more. It could go down over the next 10 minutes. Because it takes about 10 minutes before the price starts actually shooting up. Yeah, 70.05. I should have bought. It's still bouncing down. I'm going to cancel this real quick. Yeah, 70.04, 70.05. Let's just see what it does over the next candle. And then I'll make my buy, whatever it's at. I'm not concerned about losing a couple pennies, because it's just a couple pennies. But I would like to get it for a good price. 70.02 it hit. The 24-hour low is 69.98, so Yeah, I think I'm just going to go ahead and buy it. 70.04, 02, 03. I'm just gonna buy. So I think I got it for 70.03. And the way I'm going to check is I'm going to click my order history. And I bought it for 70.03. Cool. So I hit the target. Now there's an easier way to hit that target if you want to hit that exact number, and that's by placing a limited order. But we'll get into that later. So now then, the sell time is for 11:39. That's in 19 minutes. And 5 minutes prior to the sell time is when the price starts to shoot up. So I'm going to put you guys on pause until that occurs, and then let you see what happens. See, if I had held off for a couple of minutes, it's bouncing down to 69.99 from 70.01. So I could have got it at a little better price. I think I seen 98. So that's the advantage of waiting a little longer. So, but that's okay. I'm not concerned about a couple of pennies. See, look at that. 69, 98, 99, 97. Alright guys, we're almost at the time where that price is going to start jumping up. Should be 1 minute. So we're just going to watch it and watch what happens when over 1 million people buy in to the same coin at the same time. There we go. There's our first hike. So we're going up to 73.11 is the target price. And over the next 5 minutes, it's going to jump up 5 different times. Each candle is a 1 minute candle. So we're fixing to see this thing go up and up and up. And we're going to collect the interest and get out. This is spot trading. There's hike number 2 for 71.26. third spike, 71.88. This does this every single time, like clockwork. They have an algorithm, and the algorithm is precise. Every time it hits its mark. $72.49. There's our fourth spike. And we got one more. Uno mas, guys. Uno mas. I was pretty skeptical when I first came into this thing, but seeing that this works every time the way that they say it will, it's pretty awesome. And every day I make money. And there we go, 73.11. It hits the target. So I'm going to go ahead and click sell, maximize. I'm going to fill in these last two digits here to eliminate residuals. 11. And I'm going to sell. Now the price over the next 10 minutes or so, it's going to go up and down just a little bit. It's going to continue to go up a tiny bit as the people sell and everything, and some people are buying in, and you know, the price is going to fluctuate a little bit after it hits this mark, but it's going to level off after here. And some people like to wait to see how much extra it's going to go up and then capitalize off a few pennies. But I like to just hit the target because it's a sure thing. And a lot of times I do limited transactions and it hits the target, and I don't have to worry about monitoring it and you know, trying to hit the price on a market, because you know, you see that it fluctuates between 10 and 11, and if you don't hit that button at just the right time, you'll get it for 73.10, you know. And so executing the market feature is a lot better way to ensure that you get it for the right price, both in buying and selling. And see it hit 43.12, 43.13. You know, it'll probably go as high as 15 over the next couple minutes. This coin doesn't go very much higher than the target price, because it's not as big of a spread. We're talking about a $3 spread here, so it doesn't go much higher than that, than the target price. So yeah, so to confirm that I have bought, I'm just gonna go down here to my order history, or sold actually, and my sell is completed. See, See, it sold for $73.10. See, I didn't hit, because I sold market, it was down a penny. So, you know, that's the disadvantage of using the market feature. I usually do limited, but I've been doing market recently just to do it, because sometimes it does go up a little. But anyways, so now then, let's go check my fundage. Let's go to my assets, and I've got $487. I had $470. I made $17 on that one trade. $17 off of what was in my account. When I had $2,000 in my account, I was making $60 per trade. So, but I bought into that ICO, so it cost me most of my funds. And those funds will sit there for the next 15 days until that ICO completes, and then I'll get to reap some big profits off of that. So, for anyone who is interested, if you want to get in on this, you can. Let's go to my email so I can just show you. Email me at plasmapathfinder@gmail.com and just say I'm in. That's all you have to say, is I'm in, and I will send you the instructions. I'll send you a link, an invitation link, so that you can get onto the Barry platform, so that you can sign up with Barry. And you're also going to have to create, if you don't already have, a Skype account, a Telegram account, and a few other accounts. You're going to have to download the Trust Wallet app. It looks like that right there, Trust Wallet. You see Trust Wallet on my screen? And you're also going to have to download MoonPay. Okay? And it'll all be in the instructions. And you're going to have to follow the instructions. In this group, if you do not follow the instructions, when it comes to trading, if you think you're just going to come in and do whatever you want and buy an hour ahead of time when the price is $1 lower or whatever, they're not going to tolerate it. You're going to screw everything else up. You're going to screw everything up for the rest of us, because this only works if people stick to the program. So follow the instructions in the email, and there won't be no problems. And we're going to bring you in, and we're going to train you guys for free. Okay, we're not charging anything for this. We're not making any money off of you. And we're going to train you guys for free. The group that I'm involved in will train you for free. This is a non-profit organization. We're all non-profit organizations, and it's our goal to help others, which is why we're doing this. So the training will be for free. You're going to have to undergo a week's worth of training, and after a week, you'll be allowed to add more funds. Your first initial funding, we're only letting you come in with $200. And actually, that $200 is for, you're going to fund your Trust Wallet with two different currencies. And one of them, you're going to do $50 in one, and you can do up to $200 in the other. And the $50 one is to cover fees for pushing your funds into Barry. It's going to cost a little bit of money to push your funds into Barry, and that's what the other coin is for. And it doesn't take all of those funds, it just takes a little bit. So every time you add money, you've got plenty to continue to push funds into your account. So anyways, I don't want to make this video too long. We're already going on 21 minutes. So that's it. Email plasmapathfinder@gmail.com, and I will get you the invitation and the instructions for everything you need to do, and the instructions for how to trade and how to stake and all that stuff. You'll be sent instructions on how to do all that. And you'll be invited into the Skype group to undergo training. And after your training, you'll be invited into the Telegram group, where you will get your signals every day. And so that's it. That's the program. I hope you guys take advantage of this, because it truly is something unique and special. Go ahead and try and see if you can find any other program out there where you can make a 2% or greater daily compound interest. It don't work. They're not out there. Not publicly, anyways. So, and see that? We're getting a third signal for the day. We had 3 yesterday. We're getting a third today again. So it's usually only 2 signals. So we're going to be making some extra money this week, looks like. So, anyways, y'all have a good day. Peace.